Well, hello everyone. We're gonna do our first haunted car wash at the Rodeo Express car wash in Cypress, Texas. We got this lady attendant. She's wearing as the Incredible costume. So let's go ahead and enter.
Buddy.
Hey.
That way? Oh,
Also two lane, nice. Got your phone? Alright, going in. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Right, forward. Stop with the car in neutral, put off the brake, and let the wash begin. As I say, let the haunted car wash begin. Oh man, guys, this is gonna be epic. Our first haunted car wash on YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoy. And he's gonna sneak in off a corner car. Here we go. Ooh, nice. Oh, geez. Woo! Awesome. Okay, more soap. This system looks like a Sony's or a Motor City Washworks. Man, this is spooky. We're getting rinse. Oh, Jesus. Woo! Okay. That's what I'm talking about. And we got the dryers. Yeah, it's a Motor City Washworks tunnel. Nice. Not many brushes. This is the first time I find a tunnel with the brushes, but wow. Ton of jump scares though. That's amazing. Dryer's doing a great job. And we're getting the buff and dry. Let's see if that works for us. got the clown over here.
Nice mask. I like the mask.
All right, here we go. And that will be it, my folks.